Apple smartphones, this is iPhone 10. And while it doesn't say X anywhere on the front of the box, people are pretty much always going to call this one the X. I've just accepted that. So this is your first look at the unboxing experience, and spoiler, it's pretty much exactly the same as iPhone 8 was, and almost every other iPhone. Headphones, adapters, stickers, it's all in the box, but I guess it's a good thing there's no surprises here. So you can see right here off the bat, it's a really shiny, chromy, reflective phone. This is the silver one, and you can see how shiny the sides are. The space gray one, though, is a bit more toned down. And so the only thing that was actually new during the setup of iPhone 10 is now you set up Face ID during first boot instead of the fingerprint Touch ID. But yeah, this is brand new, and it's been a couple of weeks since we last saw this phone at that Apple event, so seeing it again for the second time is kind of a reminder of all the things that are new about this thing. Obviously, the biggest difference